Good morning. I'm going to be making some breakfast for my son and I. I was craving some burritos and I have some of this turkey breakfast sausage to use up. I'm going to make the tortillas first because they're the uncooked ones that you got to cook on the skillet. They are so good if you haven't tried them. They make them taste like authentic homemade tortillas. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up for you guys, but in real time it took 2 minutes and 50 seconds to cook from start to finish one tortilla. Just so you know, give yourself a little bit of time if you're making these. If you have regular tortillas, of course, that time is not going to be as long. So just keep that in mind if you're using these ones. All right, for the eggs, I am going to be using some liquid egg and regular egg. So I'm just going to do like half and half. So whatever amount of liquid egg I'm using, I'm going to use equal amounts of regular egg, just to kind of use up what I have. But all in all, it's about 1 cup here for this specific amount of food. And I'm going to use the turkey sausage. I believe I just used half of it on this one. So that whole roll only cost me $2.50 at grocery outlet, so it's a very inexpensive meal. Just want to get this all nice and broken up. If you don't have any turkey sausage, you can use any other meat you have on hand. And for the flavors, I'm gonna just use some salsa that I had in the fridge. But if you don't have salsa, you can just chop up some onions, garlic, jalapenos, whatever it is that you like in your burritos. The aromatics and things like that, you want to get those cooked in there with the meat. So this is cooked up now, and I'm going to go ahead and add the eggs to it. My heat is at about 350 on this electric skillet, so medium high. Let that all cook together. Cover and let it sit for a couple minutes. Now that the eggs have firmed up, go ahead and give it a mix. Now we can add the cheese. I'm going to be using Mexican cheddar cheese blend. Right, and we're just going to let this melt on down. Cover it for just a little bit until all the cheese melts. Let's set this down to a... turn it off. And that's the final product. So we're going to roll these up now and see how many we can make out of these. Sometimes I'll add toppings like avocado, sour cream, or salsa. It really all depends on what we're in the mood for. Another thing I like to do is add potatoes with the meat when I'm cooking it at times, if I have a little bit more time for it to cook. We were able to get 4 nice-sized burritos, all for under $6 for all the ingredients. Definitely worth making at home because it tastes even better. Yep, so good. So good. I hope you guys make you some burritos next time you're craving some.